Hey guys, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. Today I'm back with a few fun, quick, last-minute decorating ideas using items from Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So today I'm going to share with you how you can go to Dollar Tree, grab probably the last few things that are still in stock, and just make them your own and add them to your tablescape for your Christmas dinner or a Christmas party. So what I have here is a Christmas tree, one of the Christmas Village items, some garland ties, the garland, and one of these tinsel trees and some ribbon. I'm going to show you how you can do different things with each of these items. So I'll get right into it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start with the Christmas Village. As you can see, I painted this one white, and I'm going to be adding some twine through it or some wire, and I'm going to make this a ornament. So this is just a quick idea of how you can transform this cute little hotel or post office in my case and just paint it with spray paint. It's super simple and it makes it really cute. You can even put that on your mantle. Another fun way to dress up your table on a budget is to grab the garland ties, and all you need to do is make them into a little napkin ring by making a circle, pretty much like the garland wreath that I showed you earlier, and you just put it through your napkin, and simple as that, you have a cute little napkin ring for your table. You've probably seen these tinsel trees at your local Dollar Tree. They come in different colors. I don't care for the tinsel myself, so what I decided to do was to grab this garland and remove the tinsel and just added the garland instead. Super simple. You don't even use the whole amount. You just remove the tinsel, start in one corner, and then wind around, and you have a cute little tree. This goes much better with my decor. Cost $2 to create, and I can save the tinsel for something else, maybe for gift wrap or something. Another fun idea to make with the garland is to create mini wreaths, and these are great for the back of your chairs at your dinner table. It's really cute. What you can do is add any of your favorite ribbon, and you can connect it or hook it onto your chairs. But basically just trim off a piece of the garland, make a circle, and then there you have a cute little wreath. I was able to make, I think, 8 of them just with one package of garland. So it's another cute idea that you can make your money stretch and make your table look pretty. For this last tip, what you're going to need is the Dollar Tree Christmas tree, and I didn't get this at Dollar Tree. I got this actually at Michael's, but it's brown floral tape. And what I'm going to show you to do is how to just kind of upgrade this tree just using floral tape and nothing else. What you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and open up your tree and to expose this green section. I don't know if you've seen the high-end Christmas trees. Some of them are real sparse and they look really cute, but they have a darker trunk, and I think that really makes a difference. So what I did is just basically I started at the top. I got the dark brown floral wrap or floral tape and just wrapped it all around the green section. So I'm basically just covering the green part with the brown part. And that's it. Super easy, simple way to just upgrade your tree. So you can add ornaments, you can add pine cones, you can add lights, you can do whatever you want, or you can just leave it plain like I did. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like these ideas. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.